Hello guys, welcome to my channel IU and Weight Loss. Today we will discuss about 6 health benefits of apple cider vinegar, backed by science. Let's get started. 6 health benefits of apple cider vinegar, backed by science. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Many people claim it can relieve a wide range of health complaints, but you may wonder what the research says. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, evidence suggests it may offer health benefits, such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. 1. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made via a two-step process. First, the manufacturer exposes crushed apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Next, they add bacteria to further ferment the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Acetic acid gives vinegar its strong sour smell and flavor. Researchers believe this acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. Cider vinegars are 5 to 6% acetic acid. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. Some people believe that the mother is responsible for most of its health benefits, although there are currently no studies to support this. While apple cider vinegar does not contain many vitamins or minerals, it offers a small amount of potassium. Good quality brands also contain some amino acids and antioxidants. 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is also a food preservative, and studies show that it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food. If you're looking for a natural way to preserve your food, apple cider vinegar could help. Anecdotal reports also suggest that diluted apple cider vinegar could help with acne when applied to the skin, but there doesn't seem to be any strong research to confirm this. 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. The most effective and healthiest way to regulate blood sugar levels is to avoid refined carbs and sugar, but apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effect. Research suggests that vinegar offers the following benefits for blood sugar and insulin levels. A small study suggests vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal and significantly lower blood sugar and insulin response. In a small study in 5 healthy people, vinegar reduced blood sugar by 31.4% after eating 50 grams of white bread. A small study in people with diabetes reported that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime reduced fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. The National Centers for Complementary and Integrative Health says it's very important that people do not replace medical treatment with unproven health products. 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead you to eat fewer calories and lose weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Furthermore, A study in 175 people with obesity showed that daily apple cider vinegar consumption led to reduced belly fat and weight loss. Taking 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, led to a loss of 2.6 pounds, 1.2 kilograms. Taking 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, led to a loss of 3.7 pounds, 1.7 kilograms. However, keep in mind that this study went on for 3 months, so the true effects on body weight seem to be rather modest. Overall, apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing insulin levels. Apple cider vinegar only contains about 3 calories per tablespoon, which is very low. 5. Improves heart health in animals. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death. Several biological factors are linked to your risk of heart disease. Research suggests that vinegar could improve several of these risk factors. However, many of the studies were conducted in animals. These animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as several other heart disease risk factors. However, there is no good evidence that vinegar benefits heart health in humans. Researchers need to do more studies before reaching any strong conclusions. 6. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using tropical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the protective skin barrier. Given its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. However, one study in 22 people with eczema reported that apple cider vinegar soaks did not improve the skin barrier and caused skin irritation. Talk to your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially on damaged skin. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar to the skin, as it can cause burns. Dosage and how to use it. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in cooking. It's a simple addition to foods like salad dressings and homemade mayonnaise. Some people also like to dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. Common dosages range from 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, per day mixed in a large glass of water. It's best to start with small doses and avoid taking large amounts. Too much vinegar can cause harmful side effects, including tooth enamel erosion and potential drug interactions. The bottom line. Many websites and natural healthcare proponents claim that apple cider vinegar has exceptional health benefits, including boosting energy and treating disease. That said, some studies suggest it may offer some benefits, including killing bacteria, lowering blood sugar levels, and promoting weight loss. Apple cider vinegar appears to be safe, as long as you don't take excessive amounts of it.